Hello everyone. So today we're going to talk about the Adobe Commerce biggest announcements, and we're going to have a technical deep dive on it. So the two big announcements are the Adobe Commerce as a cloud service, and the second one is the Adobe Optimizer. So both are launching on June 2025. It's almost there. So we have some key elements that I wrote here in this article about the Adobe Commerce as a cloud service. The first one, it's a very important point to know about this new architecture, because it's SaaS. It's deploying a new store in minutes, so not in hours. So it's instant provisioning system, so which is expected from a fully SaaS-based e-commerce platform. Also, we have the managed SaaS updates, so no headaches anymore with patches, security and quality patches or releases. This is automatically done in the backend side from Adobe. We also have the Edge delivery services for the front-end pages. So no Loom anymore or PW Studio. We have now a headless out of the box with the new Adobe Commerce as a cloud service. We have AI-powered content creation via Gen AI and now the integration with the Adobe ecosystem that they offer. They also have the enterprise-grade scalability. So here are some numbers that are very impressive. So we have 250 million SKUs. We have also up to 30K unique prices per SKU, which is impressive. Also, we have some integrations with some Adobe tools like Adobe Express, Adobe Firefly, Adobe Digital Asset Management, which is the DAM system. So it means that you don't have your images anymore inside of the media folder. Not that it matters, because now it's SaaS, so you won't be able to see it there, but actually you're leveraging a very good tool to do this kind of things. It's a very professional tool outside of the Adobe Commerce system platform. So it's running outside. It's the DAM, Digital Asset Management tool. So we have also the Adobe Commerce Optimizer. The Adobe Commerce Optimizer, it's basically the composable part of it. So we have the lightning fast storefront on EDS, Edge Delivery Services, pre-built connectors and APIs. So we have pre-built accelerators that help us to integrate ERPs with app builders. We have the AI-enhanced merchandising personalization with dynamic adjust content based on the user behavior through different Adobe systems. And we have the performance analytic and optimization. So we have Adobe Journey Optimizer, Adobe Analytics, we have Live Search, we have product recommendation, catalog services, all of this. And the technical implications for developers are mainly based on those models. So we have SaaS, PaaS, and on-premise. It means that the infrastructure cost and all the implementation will reduce a lot, because you don't have to handle with the platform itself. It was drastically reduced when we moved the model from on-premise to PaaS, so platform as a service instead of on-premise, because on platform SH, the current Adobe Commerce Cloud, you don't have to handle Linux updates. They are doing this from their side, so it's already very good. So in this new model, you don't even need to set it up, some things on the server side. So the customization is a trade-off, because SaaS, as we know, there are many deep code limitations. So you cannot go there deep in the code and put something that will intercept it or will create a different behavior or override a specific function, method, or functionality. You actually have to have strategical planning on how to apply the necessary adjustments using APIs and leveraging the best approach based on the limits and requirements from technology and client requirements. So that's a challenge, because many Adobe Commerce developers are used to put a code inside of Adobe Commerce, but now it's a different approach. So security and compliance. Many agencies that are not Adobe Commerce partners, so Adobe partners, they don't follow very good security and compliance measures. So basically they add security issues in their project and vulnerability, which is very bad for the platform, because the platform is blamed in the end of the day for some leak of data or anything like that. So in my opinion, the security and compliance will be very good on this new platform, even if there are chances of applying security issues still on the third-party solutions, as we have in any other SaaS platform. But it's a minimized risk compared with the current scenario. We have also what Edge Delivery Services mean for performance. It means Edge Delivery Service, the name is already saying Edge, it's on the edge, delivery, it's like CDN delivering the content, and the services, because it's Adobe service. So you have the CDN-like architecture. It's kind of CDN because there are many distribution center servers, locations that it's a kind of CDN that distribute the content and cache the content, but at the same time render it. So make the rendering happen from the edge side. So you have the fast page loads, you have improved SEO and organic traffic, and lower server load. It's not impossible to make it slower, so that's why you need to have a strategical way to how you're gonna apply your storefront on this new Edge Delivery Service. So we have also the AI-powered content and merchandising. This is leveraging third-party systems, not third-party systems, I would say Adobe systems integrated with Adobe Commerce, but it's not a big change from Adobe Commerce itself. It's more that now we can use even more Gen AI than before. So I pointed out those items here, but it's very important to know that you can do a granular transition. You don't need to do a migration from 1 to 2, like Magento 1 to Magento 2, and now Magento 3. So you have to re-platform all your system. You can do a smoothly migration that we're gonna cover in next videos. So for the development point of view, how you can prepare for that. So let's evaluate your stack. Make sure you can migrate, make sure you have the latest technologies applied on your commerce. You leverage the Adobe Commerce Optimizer that you can already apply on your Adobe Commerce Cloud to be prepared for that change. Prepare for API first development. So it means GraphQL first, and the new API structure, they are focusing a lot on headless. So you focus more on this new architecture method and the Adobe Experience Cloud ecosystem. You also optimize the performance with Edge Delivery Service and implement the best practices, the cache systems, all of this that they announced as part of the Edge Delivery Service benefits and best practices, and analyze the Google Lighthouse scores. So making sure that you analyze that and test also the performance of your SKU, your catalog services, your live search, and all of this, so you can also have you can leverage the best of the EDS. So those are the analysis based on all the official announcements that Adobe did, and also based on the official documentation they provided. I hope you enjoyed, and see you next time. Thank you.